Guess where I'm going now? Scene of the crime. I don't expect that I will do the same thing again. For one, this tank bag has got a combination lock, and it's not so easy to spin those numbers. So it's a little bit of a faff. Oh well. Let's see. Let's see how we make out. So let's see. I'm gonna take this thing off, set it on the usual spot, and hopefully don't forget it this time. So usually I reach behind. Now if this falls off, I got $600 worth of camera in there. All right, let's get this gas going. Pump 9. Oops, it's a little bit of a splash back there. I want to splash back on my camera. Oh no, the camera's on the helmet, so it's not in the tank bag. Instead, I've got the multi-grip there, and that's, I forget how much that costs. It's like $60 or something like that. It's also got my remote, which is $150. So you're talking over $200 there. So this is the point that I usually forget to put the tank bag back on. But I just closed this off, and now I just need to reach behind there, grab my tank bag, bring it to the front, and stick it on. And then rotate these numbers. Nice and solid. Anyway, tank bag is on. Right.